We're going to draw the neck of the guitar now, which is this black long rectangular section here, and I've put my drawing of the guitar behind my the body that I've drawn for it, so that I can sort of match it up again, and also so I can get this length right. And you can see that you could spend more time adjusting the shape to make it perfect. And I'm going to draw a rectangle in, a long rectangle. And what you'll find is when you draw it, it's sort of, you can't draw it on the angle very easily. Well, let's just try. It's going to go straight across. So draw it what you think is roughly the right length, and then have a go at rotating it so it matches that neck of the guitar, and get the black arrow and move it into position. And don't worry if it's not right, that's way too long. And you can also see that when you look closely at the neck of the guitar, it's thinner at the top and thicker down on the body of the guitar here. So we're going to play around with this shape. Let's get it roughly the right length. So it comes actually onto the guitar here. You'll see when we have a look at the picture again in a minute that it needs to sort of go over this white bit for a section there. So it needs to rotate a bit. If I match that top line. But I need to make it narrower up the top here. So what I can do, if I go down to the bottom right of my image of my screen, if I convert the shape to curves, then I can actually adjust the points, the corners, and make it an irregular shape. So if I go down to convert to curves, and now I go to the white node tool, when I now grab the corners of this shape, I can adjust them. When it was just a rectangle and you hadn't converted it, you couldn't adjust it in this way. So now I've got quite a lot of control over these points. That's much better. So I can just make it exactly the right shape for the neck of the guitar. And I can colour that in black or a very dark grey. See if I can find a dark grey actually. I seem to have gone into a strange colour section here. Let's see if I can get back to colour. Let's just choose a dark grey. Let's see what that looks like. Yeah, okay, so that's the neck of the guitar done. So in the next stage we'll have a look at drawing the strings on.